What's up guys, welcome to another video. I forgot to shoot the intro for this video for my grill. I did finish the paint, the clear coat, and then everything else I got it put back on. I finished everything this morning off camera. It did come out pretty good. In my next video I'll be able to show you guys how it came out. In the video that about my system, that should be up in about 2 days. And yeah, another video guys. I'm giving you updates on the truck. Actually, the new grill I'm putting on it's from I think it's a 94 GMC 94 Chevy. I like this look a little better, you know. I don't really like the GMC front end. I kind of like the OEM Chevy front end. It's the same year and everything, so you know, I guess it's gonna look a little better, give it a meaner look. Hopefully I can get it sanded down, paint it today, have Alan help me with that, you know guys.
Manuel, what are you doing?
The 350s.
The puro 350. Allá anda. Behind the scenes. Ahí te miro tus nalgas.
Sorry if my ass cracked. Is it cool if I get your tag, your license?
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es?
It's not like I'm big yet.
Manuel! Bro!
For the grill, getting some clear coat, sandpaper. Yo, where's the wire?
Huh?
Where's the wire? Oh, creo que acá, pero no sé. What's up? I don't need that right now, Alan. Gosh. Acá anda, sí, mira. Pero no es speaker wire.
Oh, you're about to cop it right now?
Yeah.
Wired and everything right now?
Pues I just need I have everything else connected, wey.
Oh yeah, pues do it.
Pero no tienen a speaker wire. Back from the store, just got the getting it sanded down, got it with 1000 grit, just so it doesn't have any lumps in it, makes it look good. I'll be painting it this perfect match black with some clear coat to make it look better. I don't know if I showed you guys the front end that I have right now. It's just the stock OEM GMC front end. And then the truck's a 94, that's like the original one from a 94. And then this grill is actually also off a 94, the year 94. So it's just the same thing, everything's gonna be fit right, all the fitments. I don't have the Chevy logo yet, but you know, I could just order one. My next video, I'll be doing, I'll be hooking up my system inside my truck. I do have a custom center console for it, but I'll show you guys in that video. And hopefully that will get up in the next 2 days, 3 days, hopefully. It's the weekend right now, so this will be up on Sunday for you guys. And so yeah, catch you guys right now whenever I'm starting to paint. Alright, pulling off the old grill. Let's see, pull it off. Pull it off. Okay, hold on. Here, like, record it. It's already recorded. Hold on. Hold on, let's go to the bottom. It's not going in the vlog.
¡Ah, se mamó!
Esta perrona. ¡Qué obo!
Piece of shit.
About to start a time lapse. A los cachamos.
I didn't get to shoot the rest of it last night, so I did finish it. You can't really see because of the sun. But yeah, I got it on, got it painted, clear coat on and everything. I thought it came out pretty clean. Hopefully I can get the emblem for it soon. Next thing's gonna be my sub. That'll be in the next video. And then next thing I want to do for it is hopefully after that, put the drop on it. Hopefully by then I'll have the money for it. Put the drop on it. It's gonna be pretty expensive. It's an expensive build, but I guess it's what I want to do. So yeah, next is the drop, and then some rims, and after that we'll see what comes and catch you guys in the next video.